Okay, so I already had breakfast. I did my cardio in the morning and that was very hard. I'm gonna start getting ready for the gym now. I'm gonna do leg day today. So excited. I got new makeup from Miss A. I don't know if many people know of it, but it's a really affordable brand and their makeup is so good. For example, this is one of the things I love a lot right now. Blurring powder foundation. Good. Like it literally like blurs everything out. This is a foundation, but it's matte. Like it goes on really like creamy and then it dries matte, so I love it. I'm gonna show you how it looks. I've made a video with this already on YouTube too and TikTok, so go watch it. I show all the products there. If you want to build it up, you can definitely build it up because it's pretty high coverage. Okay, so I'm almost done with my makeup. I'm just gonna add my mascara. Currently the weather right now is like low-key bipolar, so the day starts off like super duper sunny, super pretty, hot, not cold at all, then it starts raining. And yesterday was literally like a thunderstorm. Okay, I'm not gonna put mascara on my bottom lashes because I'm doing leg day, and last time I did that, I'll do all my eye right here was literally black. I'm ready. Be strong and courageous shirt, pink shorts, gray sweats.
You're supposed to wear shorts with me.
I was gonna wear shorts because, like I said, this weather is being bipolar. I'm making cookies with my sister right now. Chocolate chip cookies, butter, egg. Okay, the cookie mix is officially fully mixed. I'm making my mom a coffee. Cinnamon makes a really big difference in the coffee. I'm now making my coffee. It's freezing cold, but I still got coffee.
Oh, we're gonna.
They have something I need. This store has the cutest couch. What are they called?
Cushions.
Seats, cushions.
Really cute. Like in the right house.
Boy, they have the cutest things at this store. Hello. This is plastic too. It's like for outdoors. Same with this one. Like the more Italy look, this one's really cute. This is kind of smart to take coffee in. Like when you're going out, just look how cute this pillow is, you guys. Oh my god. It has like little beads here, like a Snoopy. We're home having Sour Patch Kids with chamoy, tahini.
But you're really healthy right now. Yeah.
Whoa.